unless we go and sit in the Prime Minister's office for 4 to 5 months and take follow-up action on our paper and get proposals recommended from CPFC through Labor Ministry and Finance Ministry, and it has to come to Prime Minister's office, then only we can get the things done. Otherwise, nothing will happen. So for this, we should keep having our unity, and all EPS pensioners should join together of all the organizations, maintain the same sort of tempo in maintaining the unity and power rather. Coming to the other thing is, only when we survive, we can receive pension. When we do not survive, we cannot receive the pension. No, survival is the important, object of our life now. So how to survive in this pandemic? I too had corona positive during December. What are the efforts that I took? That is something different. And all these things should be explained by a doctor. And I really thank this Apple team for arranging a doctor to clarify all these things. So friends, and we are going to have a special session for EPS Salon. I am going to arrange just on the request of Mr. Ramakant and Mr. Manjunath today. This Zoom meeting is arranged as pensioners. Thank you, sir, once again for taking the lead of this thing. You know pretty well that more than 1 lakh people are, affecting in the south per day due to this pandemic, and death rate is abnormal. Even yesterday, there are more than 4,000 people have died in the nation rather. So in these days, one has to be stay in the house only or within the limits of their house, and you should explore all possibilities to help your teammates or neighbors by, if not going to into the streets rather, or sitting at your home, you should help the other people who are suffering with corona or who need any sort of help. So whoever can do it, please take lead to help them. Coming to other point, NAC has given a call for nationwide fasting on 1st June. Really, all the pensioners and all the leaders are requested to kindly accept this proposal and stay in their house in the interest of, in the interest of pensioners, and pay our condolences to our friends who have left us, who have left the world, rather all EPS pensioners, condolences to all EPS pensioners. So that's all from my side. Thank you, Mr. Ramakant sir and Mr. Manjunath sir, for giving me an opportunity. I think already 2 minutes are over. Doctor might be on the line. So over to Ramakant sir. Thank you all friends sir for joining me. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Ramakant, please. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Prashant is there? Come.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Very good, very good. On behalf of this particular Apple NAC activity, I welcome Dr. Prashant, sir. Before taking up the Prashant, sir, I want to introduce about Dr. Prashant. Dr. Prashant has done his MBBS and MS from Bangalore Institute of Bangalore Medical College, and he specialized in endoscopic sinus and skull-based surgeon. One of the beauteous part of the doctor is, after having all these degrees, he has done his MBA from Indian Institute of Management. He's a highly versatile and highly intelligent person. He is coordinating with us all the activities. He is a consultant in a VGC hospital as a surgeon, and is a cluster in charge of the Bangalore INO Center, and he is in charge of NSRCL IIMMB. And this doctor has got a vast experience. Along with this doctor, we are conducting a lot of camps, not only in district level, taluka level, village level, different welfare association, and so on and so forth. The beautiful knowledge, and he is a multilinguistic man. Everyone need not worry about that. You can ask in any languages. He can answer you, and he will make to see that each one of you will be aware how best we can face the corona and solve the issue. Now, I welcome Dr. Prashant, sir, and hand over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for I'm humbled to the introduction. And so the basic thing about corona, andre, So should it be in English or Kannada or any language in particular?
You mix up Kannada, English, Hindi, Telugu, everything. Every mix
So
up is here.
maybe I'll do that. So I'll maintain English, and as and when
Yeah.
anyone asks any question, I'll answer it in that language. Is that okay?
Fine.
Good, sir. Okay, good.
Okay, sir. Carry on.
Yeah.
Carry on.
So
And
so the
Prasad
main,
Reddy, sir, Prasad Reddy is our zonal secretary. He is the chief of this particular organization.
oh, nice to know that, sir. So COVID is something which is there everywhere, and everyone is very much tensed about it, and they need to know what is exactly happening. Yeah, if anyone has got tested positive, the first thing which they do is, oh shit, should I go and search for a hospital bed? What do I do? That is not the first thing which they have to do. The first thing they have to do is just contact a doctor, ask them what needs to be done next. The first thing which actually has to be done is, first and foremost, identify the symptoms. If there is any fever, if there is any sore throat, if there is any body pain. Main problem, most of them are presenting nowadays with severe body pain and fatigue. So they need to identify that as one of the most common symptom of COVID, and they need to reach out to a doctor at the earliest. So if they don't do that, they will be losing precious amount of time waiting for the RT-PCR report. Nowadays, the RT-PCR reports are coming very, very late. Even in a private lab, it is taking more than 4 days to come. So in that 4 days, we will be actually missing out on treating the patient at an earlier stage, because of which we will be starting treatment of a patient in day 6, day 7, day 8. Day 5 to day 10 is the very crucial period, critical period, where patients are going in for severe complications. So my only kind advice to everyone here, whoever is attending, kindly understand that you need to diagnose or contact a physician early, or any doctor for that matter, early, and ensure that you know that you are getting the right treatment even before you get tested for RT-PCR.
Please,
Hello.
please unmute. Please unmute all of you. Sorry, mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Yeah, thank you. So the main thing what you have to do is, we have to be proactive in addressing COVID, and everyone has to wear a mask. That is the most important thing. Especially if you are in an apartment complex, ideally it's better advised to wear a mask even indoor. The reason behind that is, COVID is now, it is spreading via the air. It's no more close distance, 6 feet distance. Social distancing is not helping anymore, because it is spreading to people even beyond.
I request everybody to please mute. It is disturbing
Manjunath,
everyone.
sir.
Yes.
Manjunath, sir. Please,
Yeah.
please mute the person from whom you are getting voice
That is-
disturbance. Rather.
yeah,
Please
yeah.
mute yourself. You have the
Yeah,
provision there. You know.
Yeah, I'm
Please
trying.
go ahead.
Yeah, I'm trying. And what happens? They
Okay.
unmute suddenly.
Yeah. You see on the right. Yeah, on the right side of the this
Correct.
thing,
No,
you will
I'm
find
doing
all the
it.
people,
I'm doing it. What
whether
happened?
it has been muted. Very good, sir. Very good. Very good. Don't hesitate to mute. You mute it. Nothing to worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why it's advisable, especially for people in apartment complexes, to wear a mask even indoors, especially especially if they have a COVID case in the apartment complex. It's very essential to mask properly. So when I say a mask, don't wear a mask above your forehead, below your nose, below your mouth, on the chin, on the neck. No, wear a mask properly, which covers the nose and the mouth properly. It should be covering the upper part of the nose properly, and it should be also covering the lower chin. That is what is a proper mask, and it should be tightly fitting, such that you are breathing through the mask and not from the sides of the mask. Because again, that whole aspect of protection is lost if you're wearing a loose fitting mask, because you'll be breathing from the sides, and that's where the virus is going to end. children. And for people are getting infected at vaccination centers, so kindly ensure that you wait your turn and go to a vaccination center which is not crowded. Yeah, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible, sir.
Yeah, I think it got muted suddenly, so I didn't notice that. So ensure that you don't go to a vaccination center which is overly crowded. Unfortunately, nowadays, a lot of COVID vaccination centers are overly crowded. So even if it has opened up for 18 to 14 days, 45 years, don't push your children or relatives to go get vaccinated right now. Ask them to wait their turn. There is actually a shortage of vaccines, unfortunately, as of now. But in 2 weeks' time, there will be more amount of supply of vaccinations, and more vaccination centers will be opening up. So people are unnecessarily going and going to crowded places and getting infected. So kindly ensure that you don't push your relatives or advise them not to unnecessarily go to a crowded center and get infected, because in a crowded center, unfortunately, there's absolutely no social distancing which is happening whatsoever. So I think it's high time that we open up the mics for everyone to ask questions one by one. Preferably raise your hand such that we can unmute them, and we can take it forward.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can, whoever wants to ask question, please unmute and
Dr.
start
Prashant,
asking question. Yes.
Dr. Prashant, before that, this
Yes,
is a
sir.
particular group. This is retired from services, and they are sitting in the house, and they are
Okay.
unable to go out also. This particular
Okay.
group are the leaders from the different states and the different communities. And
Okay.
my request is to what best not only taking care of themselves, what best they
Yeah.
can contribute to saving others also. That will be a more helpful, my suggestion. You can use more of Telugu, Kannada, and other things also. It will be a more help.
Okay. So I'll start off with Telugu, Kannada. So
Continue in English.
ಜನಗಳು
Continue in
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
English. Sir,
What?
continue in English. Continue in English.
Okay, okay.
Continue in
You
English?
need
Okay.
not repeat in different languages. you know.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, thank you. That reduces my talking time. So yeah, so people have to be indoors. But that being said, it doesn't mean that you have to just be sitting idle. You have to move around, do yogasana, do your breathing exercises. Ensure that you are uh, exposing yourself to the sun. You can just go to your rooftop or your balcony if you're in an apartment. Expose yourself to the sun every day for at least minimum of 15 to 20 minutes. It is very, very essential, because vitamin D deficiency is occurring at a very rapid pace, and vitamin D deficiency is something which vitamin D is basically essential for people to notice, and it is basically important for the bones to be stronger. And as people are aging, there is something called as osteoporosis. That means the bone is getting weaker. So people will have issues of, if at all by chance they fall down, they will end up with a fracture. And during this COVID times, it's not very good idea to get a fracture and go to a hospital, because no matter what has happened, even if you're vaccinated, there is definitely a risk of infection. Vaccination, this is another important point. Vaccination doesn't reduce the risk of infection. It will only reduce the risk of
Doctor.
Yeah.
Reddy.
Yes.
दाढ़ी बढ़ा के doctor. दाढ़ी बढ़ा के
Redmi N4.
प्लीज म्यूट कर लो, बाद में बात करो। जब भी आपको बात करना चाहिए तभी बात करो, तब तक आप म्यूट कर लो। ओके।
Hello.
Okay.
Redmi and Vayansi, please.
Okay. So,
Namaste. Sir,
Yeah.
namaste.
Yeah.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
I am from Karnataka.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
Hello.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ
I am from Karnataka.
ಹಾ ಹರಿ.
ಕೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ.
ಕೊರೋನಾದ ಸಾಯೋರಿಗಿಂತಲೂ ಈ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ ಬೇಟರ್. ಹಲೋ.
ಹಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Hello.
ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾವು ವಿಷದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಗಾಬ್ದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೊರೋನಾದಿಂದ ಸಾಯರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳು ಏನ್ ಬಿತ್ತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆದವ್ರ ಕಂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಕೊಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರಿ ಅಂತ, ಹಿಪ್ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹರಿ ಅವರೇ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವೇನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರೋ ಅದು 100% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಜನಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಾಬರಿ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜನಗಳು ದೇಹ ಮನಸ್ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರೋ ಅದು ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Manjunath avare, others are getting disturbed. Please remove them from the meeting. Yes.
Correct.
When they are irresponsible, not necessary to take care of them.
Yes.
Carry on, sir.
ಮಂಜು,
ಹಾ.
EMI N4 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು
ಹಲೋ.
ಸೊ ಯಾನ್ಸಿ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ತಜ್ಞರೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಆ ಊರಿಂದ ಈ ಊರಿಂದ ತಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ? ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಮನೇಲಿ ದುಡಿತಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗೋದು?
ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು
ಪಾಲ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರೋದು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಏನೇನಿದೆಯಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್, government support, government activities cannot be discussed here. We have no power to control the government of India or God. So within our limits, what to do, what not to do, how to escape from this pandemic is the discussion of the day. Okay?
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
So one way what we can
Hello,
do
sir.
is now we have to ensure that we are responsible as public, as social responsibility. We should be responsible. We
Hello,
can't
sir.
ask the government to take each and every person across the country. You have to understand this country is the most largest populated, densely populated country in the world.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
We have to ensure that
Sir, one question.
Let me answer this, then I'll take your question, please. If 521, can you, Manjunath sir, can you mute them, please?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yes. What is that number?
F521EA43.
One question, sir.
1 second, sir. One second.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ,
It's not there.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ.
Will be answered afterwards. Doctor is explaining things. Be patient. Have patience to listen to him first. Thank you. Please mute your voices.
Right.
Yeah, so this is basically the public has to have no, we should have responsibility, social responsibility. Before the virus has definitely mutated, government has been telling that it is we have not there is a risk, kindly wear masks. Who has worn mask unfortunately across India? We leave Bangalore, and once we step out of Bangalore, everyone is not, no one is wearing a mask. They're just walking as if there's nothing happening, even right now, even during this pandemic. So we need to have our own responsibility of educating people across, whoever is not wearing a mask properly. So it's our imperative duty to tell, okay, we have our own responsibility to help out the no, help the public out, have the social responsibility in ourselves to wear a mask and have social distancing. One simple thing which I'm always for is the SMS campaign. What is the SMS campaign? Social distancing, masking, and sanity. People need to be wearing, ensuring that there's good social distancing. People need to ensure that they are wearing masks. People need to ensure that they are sane. Kindly stop blaming and creating more negativity across. And to the second point of Ayurveda, all Ayush treatments other than allopathy are good, but are good only before someone gets a COVID and once they're actually affected by COVID, because we need allopathic medicines to control and reduce the death rate. Ayush treatment, Ayush medicines, which include homeopathy, Siddha, all those things are useful for people to improve their nutrition and improve their immunity and improve their well-being overall. It is not useful for treating COVID, unfortunately.
One question, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
See, nowadays, because of in our, I'm speaking from Hyderabad. So we had from today we are having lockdown.
Yeah.
That means on the roads no one will be there. Now, if I do walking in my own compound,
yeah,
should I wear mask? Because everything is closed, roads are closed, and my house is an independent house. In my compound, it's inside itself. If I do walking, should I wear mask? Because trees are there. I am going there because trees are there. I thought it is good that oxygen will come. So what is your suggestion?
So very good question which you have raised. Thank you, Kumar V. It is very, very useful and pertinent question. Yes, you have to go out for walking. You have to breathe in more oxygen. That is very, very useful. You can also wear a mask. Wearing a mask doesn't impede oxygen inflow. You can easily breathe through a mask. The reason why I'm advising you to wear a mask is because understand it is airborne. So social distancing of even 60 feet is of no use. Is there in the air. So kindly protect yourself and your family and others by wearing a mask, even inside your own house.
Thank you.
Good morning, doctor.
I hope
Am
I
I
answered
audible?
your question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, doctor.
Yeah. Can we
morning.
go by
One after the other.
so
Please
that
ask
please
doctor question one after the other. So Balaji, you go ahead.
Yeah.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
I live to Calcutta. My one question.
Yeah, Tulsi,
Hello?
Tulsi, tell me.
हाँ, आपको बताएगा ये जो
हाँ.
वायरस को एयर फ्लो होता है,
क्या एयर फ्लो?
ये जो कोरोना वायरस एयर फ्लो मैंने आकाश मैंने हवा पे उड़ेगी.
हाँ, एयरबॉर्न हुआ है. हाँ, एयर में फैल रहा है अभी. तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मास्क पहनना है. मास्क पहनने से आपको कोविड नहीं लगेगा. इसलिए जब आप अपार्टमेंट में हैं, वो इंडोर स्प्रेड ज्यादा हो रहा है. That's why it's advisable that you wear a mask indoors, especially in an apartment complex. अगर आप अपार्टमेंट्स में हैं, तो इंडोर स्प्रेड ज्यादा हो रहा है, घर के अंदर, अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर बहुत स्प्रेड हो रहा है.
Yes, doctor, good morning. I'm Balaji from Chennai.
Yeah,
I have
Balaji,
two
tell me.
questions.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm audible now.
Yes, yes.
Sir, see, there are few instances where we come to know the patient who has taken a vaccine within 10 days of his period, if he gets symptoms and if they go to the testing, it seems to be, it is coming positive, whether it is false positive or a realities. That is one question. Then second question is, there is a patient who has not got vaccinated, no symptoms, suddenly oxygen drops out. Since nowadays everyone is having that pulse oximeter at home. Yesterday night around, I received a call for oxygen bed. See, what has happened is this patient around 5:30, 6 o'clock got on without any symptoms. She is 59 years old and she tested and it was 37 for her saturation. Immediately she has been rushed to one of the multi-specialty hospital in Chennai. So when oxygen support was given, it has raised to 87. Then they said, when they remove it, it comes down to 75. Then what's happening that now they want her to be shifted. The problem is she has not gone for a testing. Now we were not able to find with the hospitals. The problem is all COVID hospitals, they are not admitting that. So what is your opinion on this? Two questions I asked. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, Balaji. Pretty relevant questions. Thank you for that. So for the first one, kindly understand people after vaccination, as I mentioned earlier, it is not going to reduce the infectivity. People will get infected with COVID even after vaccination. So people should wear a mask even after vaccination, because vaccination is only going to reduce the risk of getting a serious disease. It just reduces the chance of someone dying. People will die even after vaccination, but the amount of or the chance of someone dying or having a serious complication or requirement of oxygen will definitely reduce. People will be able to survive even after getting admitted. That's what we are seeing recent of late. People who have been vaccinated, we are able to save them much more easier. But that being said, you have to ensure that you get vaccination.
Excuse me, sir.
You need to ensure that you are wearing a mask, and you have to ensure that you are following the same amount of responsibility as you were doing before getting vaccinated. For the second question, kindly understand, you need to, people, they will definitely have symptoms. They just that they would have ignored it. People definitely will have symptoms. There is no chance in any way.
Sir?
Yeah. So there's no chance that people with such a severe issue, they won't be asymptomatic. Definitely there will be some symptoms. They would have just ignored it. They would have had little bit of fever, little bit of sore throat, something or the other. And that person would be just resting and sitting in one place without moving around. If they are moving around, definitely the oxygen drop would be noted. So kindly ensure, if at all, as a rule, every single person, whoever is at home, ensure that you are walking around. When you are walking around, that's when you'll realize if you're actually getting breathless. If you're sitting in one place and testing, it will show it is fine. You will not feel breathless. Only when you're moving around, that's when you'll start feeling breathless. So what your friend had was something called as happy hypoxia. What is happy hypoxia? The oxygen saturation will be dropping, but the patient won't feel any breathlessness because the patient is sitting in one place. People will get the breathlessness after moving around. So that's why we advise, as doctors, we advise kindly test your oxygen saturation after moving around for 6 minutes. I hope I answered your question for that. And in relation to testing negative, unfortunately, RT-PCR is not, there is false negatives for almost 30% of patients who have been tested. So we have to go by the clinical features of how the patient is and not go by any standalone testing. I hope I answered your question, Balaji.
Yes, doctor. Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Dr.
Good
Shivaji.
morning.
Yeah, Madan Mohan,
Good mo-
please.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good morning. I'm
Madan
from
Mohan.
Madan Mohan.
Nagaraj.
Yeah, Madan Mohan.
Can
Good
we
morning, sir.
can we go to Madan Mohan?
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. Yeah, Madan Mohan, tell me.
I have two questions.
Sure.
The first question is,
Mhm.
rather than the pandemic, these medias are taking too much of disadvantages. Why don't you at least
Okay.
address them? Not to ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವೈಭವೀಕರಣ, ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆತ್ ನ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ವೈಭವೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೈಡ್ ದೆಮ್ to boost the morality of the people. This is the one first thing what I request from you, sir. And the second one, you people will not hear any government or anybody, but they will definitely hear you. What I request is, warn even everyone, right from children till age old. Nowadays, what is happening? People are of the version that only aged people will be infected, and those who are young and energetic, they feel that they will not be getting infected. So kindly, nowadays, you know, even younger generation is also dying. So please address them to be alert, to avoid. Now one of my friend was telling, no, earning man is dying. So that means what? People are neglecting themselves. Why don't you please guide them to be alert when they go out? Kindly, these are the two things what I request from you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir. So Madan sir, definitely it was appropriate
Sir,
questions,
excuse me.
and
I have one question.
main thing is, see, yeah, Tulsi, I'll finish Madan's question, then I'll take yours.
Sir, I
Can
have
you
one
mute
question.
yourself, please?
বলো।
Yeah, Madan. So
Tell sir.
for your first question, media, definitely, if we quarantine ourselves from media, we will be fine. So quarantine,
Sir,
just
I want
turn off the news channels. Why are the news channels pushing so much of negativity? Unfortunately, people like to see negativity on the news. It's a human psychology, unfortunately. So until unless we are watching the news channels, the news media will be pushing the same old thing. So it is up to us to boycott them. If we boycott them, there won't be anyone who will be sponsoring them. That is the main problem. It is not the media people. Why are they supplying all this negativity? So the only thing is, we have to change accordingly. Number two, we have for the people. So people have, as I told, it's our social responsibility. So kindly, whoever is there, we have to have our own responsibility of educating people and telling people and correcting people and telling, kindly ensure that you wear a mask. You are not Superman. Even Superman can get infected. Even lions of all things are getting infected. So the king of the jungle is only getting infected. So who are we? We are just normal human beings. So when the king of the jungle is getting infected, no one else is safe. Even the MLAs are getting infected. The MLAs' wives are getting, relatives are getting infected. State CM, our own CM, Yadurappa got infected 2 times. Our ex-CM, HDK also got infected 2 times. So kindly tell everyone, we are not human beings. Even the top leaders are getting infected. You are no different than anyone. Kindly wear a mask. Kindly ensure that you are safe. That way, you will be fine. It's just our responsibility to educate others. We can't expect anyone else to educate us, unfortunately. I hope I answered your question.
Sir, Namaskara. Nagaraj from Bangalore.
Nagaraj sir, ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೋಸು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೆಜ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ತಪ್ಪುತ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ತದೆ. RT-PCR ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದು ತಪ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಪ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಾಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತಪ್ಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದ್ರೂ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ವೆರಿ 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 ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ರು ಇದು ವೈರಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಕೆಲ್ಸದವ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ನಿಮ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಬಂದಾಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Unfortunately, no one is emphasizing on the fact that we have to wear masks indoor. Everyone is emphasizing on the masks. People have to wear masks outdoor. That has to be drilled down, and people have to understand that part. Nagaraj, I hope ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Sir, can I have a chance to? Can you just give me a chance to put some questions?
Sure, sir. ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Is it my turn now, or some Tulsi?
Yes, yes.
Some Tulsi. You can't. You complete Tulsi. He is in the queue, no? Yeah.
Yeah. Tulsi,
Yeah.
you can unmute yourself. Tulsi. Yeah. पूछिए जो भी पूछना चाहते थे.
One question.
Yeah.
First child symptom क्या है?
फर्स्ट टाइम का सिम्टम जो भी होता है वो थकान होता है, बुखार हो सकता है, नाक से स्मेल नहीं आ सकता है, सूंघ नहीं सकते हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं, सरदर्द हो सकता है, रैश हो सकता है. I don't know what is rash called in Hindi. If anyone can help me out with that. और आंखों का रेडनेस हो सकता है. ये सब कुछ फर्स्ट सिम्टम हो सकता है. ये मुमकिन नहीं है कि हर एक को सेम सिम्टम हो सकता है, हर एक का डिफरेंट सिम्टम हो सकता है. तो काइंडली ये डॉक्टर का सलाह लेना पड़ेगा. जो कुछ भी हुआ डॉक्टर का सलाह लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको इफ यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट यू आर नॉट ओके, अगर आपको महसूस होता है कि आप नॉर्मल नहीं है, तो kindly talk to a doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Prasad sir, you can ask.
Shivajirama Bhosle.
Okay. Who is that?
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah.
Shivajirama.
Shivajirao. Over to Shivajirao. I'll come in the next turn. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Reddy ji.
Carry on, sir.
Shivaji.
My question, two questions.
Yeah.
My question, two questions. One question is, how we are predicting that next move will, third move will be for children? How they are predicting this, doctor?
See, kindly understand that already children are being affected in the second wave. Forget third wave. We really don't know how long this second wave is going to last and how bad this second wave is going to be. So don't think about the third wave. Just focus on the second wave. Let's get through the second wave. And as citizens of the world, forget India, of the world, of this earth, human beings on this earth, let us be socially responsible. Let us just wear a mask and not just save ourselves, but also save our future generations. Shivaji Raoji. Okay. I think he has some
Shivaji Rao,
bandwidth
sir,
issue.
You're there in the.
Okay.
Anyone online for questions? I have a.
You
Can
can
I
ask,
answer?
sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm
Go
Alex
ahead.
from Chennai. Sir, as such, you also might be seeing in the groups and all, everyone is particular about remdesivir injection and tocilizumab, people are trying. So as such, this antiviral and anti-immunosuppressant, these are the two drugs which is being talked about. And most of the doctors, they themselves all come in the TV panels and all, they say that it's not so important, that it is not a life-saving drug. That is one part. So whether, as such, I came to know that that immunosuppressant, tocilizumab, is being used for a patient post-ventilators. So can we use other alternatives like antiviral? There are many. Even for herpes zoster, years, doctors were using acyclovir. So those type of antivirals, can it be used if this antiviral is not available? So can you throw some light on this, doctor?
Thank you, Balaji, for asking the right question. Talking about remdesivir and tocilizumab or any other immunomodulators, unfortunately, they are useful only in the initial period, including plasma therapy. Plasma therapy is also useful only in cases where we have very initial period where it is the initial few days of the infection. That's when we can use this remdesivir and plasma therapy. Tocilizumab is basically used when there is a cytokine storm. So when what do I mean by cytokine storm? When a patient has gone to a period where without this kind of, it's basically to prevent the cytokine storm. Tocilizumab is basically an anti-IL-6 mediator. But again, let me reiterate, both of them have not been proven to be life-saving. People are panicking, unfortunately, and they're searching helter-skelter for these drugs. The only two cornerstone treatments for COVID is steroids given at a timely duration and anticoagulants. Why? So let me talk about the pathogenesis of COVID. I have not spoken about that. So what is the issue, main issue why people are dying because of COVID? People are dying because of COVID, not because of the viral infection, not because of the virus per se as such. People are dying because of the inflammation which the body does in order to fight it out. And for people who are dying, it's because of very high amount of inflammatory mediators or the the body fighting mechanism. When it is fighting excessively, it is causing this issue. So people are dying because of inflammation and not because of the virus per se. So that's why we everywhere we are saying the cornerstone treatment for the treatment of COVID is steroids and blood thinners. Why blood thinners, you would ask? Because there is a very high risk of more than 16% of people who have been infected with COVID having a sudden blood clot. People are dying because of blood clots, youngsters and old youngsters, or people who are recovering from COVID, especially when they are sitting in the bed because they're resting. The blood gets clotted in the leg muscles or the calf muscles, because of which it's called deep vein thrombosis. This blood clot, once they start moving around, it will cause a displacement, or it will get dislodged from the leg and it will go directly into the lungs, and then they will die, collapse and die within minutes, because that is how big the blood clot will be, which will be obstructing the blood vessels in the lung. So people are dying because of blood clots. People are dying because of inflammation. So the cornerstone treatment is unfortunately only steroids and blood thinners. And coming to the other point which you raised, how about any antivirals? Unfortunately, acyclovir and all those things are useful for a different set of a virus. You need to understand there are so many different viruses, and not all antivirals are useful for all viruses. So unfortunately, still till now, there is no proven antiviral which is effective against COVID. All remdesivir or any Fabiflu or any other antiviral is not helpful. Be it Tamiflu, Fabiflu, any other antiviral has still not been proven to be effective, evidence-based wise. WHO has actually removed remdesivir as a treatment option for COVID. So I hope this is answered your question, Balaji.
Yes, doctor. Thank you very much, doctor, for throwing some better light on this. And regarding the antifungal, which is to be used nowadays, because doctors see surgeon.
The black fungus you're talking about. Yeah,
Ganeshan
mucormycosis. So let me
Ganeshan
answer that is important right now. So
So can I
people
ask
need
you
to
one question?
understand. Ganeshan, just give me 1 minute. I'll take your question next. So people need to understand that because people are staying indoors, a lot of them are undiagnosed diabetics, unfortunately, because of work from home and because of lockdown restrictions. People are not moving around and they're not having enough exercise. So because of which they are getting prone to diabetes. So because of diabetes, undiagnosed diabetes, people are getting this COVID infection, the mucormycosis infection after recovery from COVID. So people need to check their blood sugars regularly. People, even youngsters, especially as young as 24, 25 years old, are getting diabetes. So people need to understand that diabetes is a lifestyle disorder and it can occur to anyone, not just the old age. People are, whenever I'm asking people to get their blood sugars tested, they're telling, no, I'm not a diabetic. But after getting the blood sugar tested, especially HbA1c, HbA1c gives the diabetic profile over three months. It's not the blood profile over the real-time measurement. So with HbA1c, we will know what is the diabetic profile of the patient. That way, we will be ensuring that we can treat the diabetic levels properly. And once the diabetes is under control, risk of getting a mucormycosis is very, very minimal. Please understand, mucormycosis spores are there everywhere. It is there in the soil, it is there in the air, it is there everywhere. It affects only people who have high sugar levels. So kindly ensure that your sugar levels are controlled, especially after the COVID infection.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, Ganeshan, you can ask next.
Sir,
Okay.
my question is, what is the dieting at the time of corona? One thing. Second, in case if any of our friends died due to corona, how to participate in the funeral? That's only
Okay. Two very valid and important things. So kindly understand, you have to have good nutritious food, because for fighting any infection, you need to have good diet. You need to ensure that you are having healthy food. Without having healthy food, you are going to not aid the body in recovery. For the second part, very, very important, kindly ensure you don't be for your friend only during the funeral. Be for your friend's family. They are the ones who will require your support after your friend has passed away. You need not go and be there during the funeral process. Kindly utilize your time and talk to the patient, the friend's family, or your relatives, or any near dear ones who have passed or lost someone near and dear to them. Give them the required support. People need to understand that grieving is totally neglected. No one is taking care of the grief counseling. So be there for your friends, be there for your relatives, whoever has lost their near and dear ones. It will be very, very useful, and it will be very, very satisfying for you also to help them out, and they'll also help. It will also help them get over this very, very grieving stage. I hope I answered your question, Ganeshan.
Yeah, sir.
Shall I continue, doctor?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
Hello.
ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಹೌದು, 100% ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರಿಕವರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 2 ಸರ್ತಿ. ನಮ್ HDKನ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ಸರ್ತಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸರ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡಿ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, Natarajan speaking.
Sir.
From Bangalore.
ಯಾ ನಟರಾಜನ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Sir, I got one question. Post
Yeah.
COVID, my wife is having some slight, giddiness.
Yes.
Is it affect after COVID? These symptoms are
Yes,
acceptable,
it is known. So post-COVID, one thing is it affects the neurology. People will have some amount of confusion. People will have they'll have difficulty in coherence. It will take some time for them to understand what they're talking, what they're doing. They won't be a cohesive talk, unfortunately, for some time. At the same time, the dizziness or vertigo, whatever is occurring, is secondary to your wife have been staying indoors for such a long time. For more than a year, people have staying indoor without exposure to the sun. Because of vitamin D deficiency, this kind of giddiness is quite common. So get your wife's vitamin D level tested, and also ask your wife to do vestibular rehabilitative exercises. You can just Google search vestibular rehabilitative exercises and follow those exercises. I can explain it to you in a simple way. So what are the exercises? So hold your finger in front of your eye, follow the finger, left, right, 5 times, up, down 5 times, then neck up, down, sideways, then head, neck rotation. After that, do your shoulder movement. So with the shoulder movement, you will feel, she will be able to feel better, and also move the trunk. So all these things are there in the, you can search on the Google. So it's called vestibular rehabilitative exercises.
Thank you, doctor. Thank
Yeah.
you. Right.
Sir,
But
one
Yogasana
minute,
is,
sir.
yeah.
Huh,
Sir, Yogasana is,
Hello. Sir,
Hello.
I am from Karnataka.
ಹರಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಈಗ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತದೇನ್ ಸರ್? ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರ, ಹೌದಾ?
ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. ಕೊರೋನಾನ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಟರ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎರಾಬಿರಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಡ್. ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 10 kg 20 kg 30 kg ಹಂಗೆ ಎತ್ತೋದು ಅಡ್ವೈಸಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೈಬ್ರೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಹಿಪ್ನೋಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌದು. ಡೈಲಿ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಪ್ನೋಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹಿಪ್ನೋಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟದು. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ.
ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರೋದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I think someone had raised the hand previously.
Yeah, I am Prasad Reddy.
Okay.
I am Prasad Reddy.
Yeah.
Let me take a chance
Yes, sir.
to talk to you. So
Yes,
first
sir.
of all, I thank you, Prashant Reddy sir, for giving us an opportunity to see you on the screen like this and meet you like this, and being such a powerful doctor or highly qualified doctor, you are sparing your services to educate us. Really, it's appreciable thing. We thank you very much, sir, on behalf of Southern pensioners and all organizations, pensioner organizations. Thank you, sir. And coming to my questions, before that, let me tell you, all friends, EPS friends who are on the screen, please, I will tell you a phone number of round the clock doctor's availability. If you can talk to Prashant Reddy, I don't mind. I don't have any objection. Or otherwise also, you will have the scope to talk to a doctor round the clock sitting in your house. I will tell the number after presenting my two questions. Number one, doctor, my question very one is, after getting vaccinated, after second vaccination, I mean, the immunity level starts improving or gets improved only after 15 days of second vaccination. Is it true?
Yes, true. It's true.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's good. That's number one. So after first vaccination, to what extent the immunity level improves?
So there is some research which is going on saying that even with one dose of Covishield or Covaxin, the percentage of one dying is drastically reduced by 87%.
Oh,
this
lovely.
is the research which has been done by UK. In UK, they're saying that it reduces someone dying because of COVID by 87%.
So even with the first dose, 87% of the life can be given. Or I should let it be 80%, let it be 70%. Very good, very good, sir. Thank you. That's good. Second thing is, I had my Covaxin second dose also.
Yeah.
But right from taking the first vaccine, I have been using a particular meta spray, nasal spray, you know. You come across that, you know, meta.
I treat that. I treat patients of allergy with meta.
Exactly, no, See, that is, I had 35% hearing deficiency of my right ear. So from CMC, they have suggested for 2 months. So I have been using this. After first vaccination, I continued it. After second vaccination, through media or television, I could hear that any sort of steroids, if taken orally or internally, it will affect the development of antibodies in the body. Is it true? And to what extent I might have developed my antibodies in my body after taking the second vaccine also? Could you follow my question, doctor?
Very relevant question. So me being an ENT surgeon, I keep using intranasal steroid sprays. So I know I am the authority on that. I can assure you that. So intranasal steroids are designed in such a way that it acts only on the nose or topically in the local area it will act. It will not act systemically. That means it doesn't get absorbed into the body. The moment it goes to the stomach, it will get denatured. Okay, so don't worry about the fact that you are using metaspray. You are using metaspray because you have a hearing deficiency because of the eustachian tube catarrh. There's a tube which connects the nose to the ear. That tube is not functioning. Because of that, they have advised you the spray. So with the spray, your hearing will improve. At the same time, it doesn't cause any kind of harm to you because it is a intranasal steroid spray. That being said, people should not use steroids unnecessarily. As you rightly told, if people are using oral steroids, then the immune response will be hampered. So since you are using intranasal spray, you are fine.
Nothing to worry.
Not to be abandoned. Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. That is one. And second thing is,
I think
my friends used to my friends used to be overconfident. Sir, my friends used to be overconfident. I mean, we will be meeting in the club. We were meeting now. Of course, club is closed. People used to say that after taking this vaccine, after 1 week or 4 days, they start boozing. I mean, taking drinks. See, to what extent this is advisable or not advisable? Taking liquor itself, see, people simply say that taking liquor is harmful to the body or human being. That we accept it. And in general, to the extent of these people who take, the healthy drink or whatever they call it, and to what extent this can be done? Can you just suggest so that I can spread it to my friends?
So initially when we started the vaccination, because the vaccines were very new, we needed to understand and assess what is the side effects of the vaccine. So because it was still in the phase 3 trials, extended phase 3 trials of the clinical trial of the vaccine, we had to ensure that whatever symptoms people are noticing, we need to ensure that it is just because of the vaccine and nothing else, no other external issues. So that's why during the initial period, they had advised not to drink or booze for till the second dose is done. So beyond that, there is there's no scientific evidence of not able to take a drink. But as you rightly told, we have to drink responsibility. As I've been telling from the start of the meeting, we need to have social responsibility. So if at all you have to drink responsibly. If at all you have gone over the edge, ask the friends or whoever is the sober person to drive, and ensure that you are safe, because more than COVID, you will be putting so many other people at risk on the road.
Thank you. And as I told you, friends, please note the telephone number of doctors availability: 7676 905 905. 7676 905 905. Hello. 7676.
Chat.
Yeah. That also I'll do that. And this is the Star Health group of doctors available for the sake of free consultation for the sake of anybody in India. Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thanks for clarifying all my doubts. Thank you very much.
PV Swami, you had some.
One more thing I wanted to request you.
Yeah.
Please emphasize the need of having vaccination. That is important. All my pensioners should take the responsibility of getting themselves vaccinated. That is my desire. That is my wish. That is the wish of Mr. Ramakant or the other person who is arranging this my meeting today. Yeah. So we want each and every pensioners of whole of the India to have doubly vaccinated. To what extent our people should be responsible in taking two doses of vaccine. Please explain them. Thank you.
Yeah, so I would go a step ahead and tell that all the pensioners should not be selfish and restrict themselves for vaccinating themselves with the second dose. You need to ensure that all your family members are getting vaccinated. But that being said, people who are under 45, kindly ask them to wait their turn and be responsible and maintain the social distancing in a vaccination center. Don't overcrowd a vaccination center, because right now there is slightly less amount of supply, but there will be a sufficient supply for everyone to get vaccinated. Kindly ensure and be responsible, not just for yourself, but for the entire family and extended family, and get all of them vaccinated when that is possible. Both the doses of vaccine is essential. Kindly get yourself vaccinated, because only when everyone is vaccinated, we will be safe from this COVID. Otherwise, I can rest assured that every single person, whoever is not vaccinated, will get COVID, if not now, in the future, definitely. So kindly, I can't emphasize any more than this.
Thank you.
Kindly ensure that
Dr.
you
Shivajirao
get
again.
yourself vaccinated, and your family members and extended family, your friends, everyone vaccinated, but with social responsibility. Don't overcrowd, wait your turn, follow the social distancing, follow the required measures to prevent yourself from getting a virus. Because there are so many cases where I'm hearing people are going to overcrowded places and getting COVID infection. So kindly ensure that you are going to be safe. Yeah.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Namaste.
Prasad, vote of thanks.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, one last question. Yeah, please.
Time is getting adike.
Yes.
My request to this thing is regarding pensioners, the wonderful sessions we had. Any other questions you have, put in the chat box, and to the personal number it will be answered. Number one, entire proceedings has been recorded. That will be sent to your respective group also. They can go through the details. The main concern is one issue.
One nimsha, you gave a chance to this Honor 9X. He is Mr. Krishna Reddy. He is a consultant there in Ongole for this COVID. It seems he has come out with some sort of help.
Yeah.
You please give him a chance. Okay, thank you very much.
One minute. The main concern of ours is, number one is Jiva iddare Jivana. Jiva illade hodre Jivana elli. The main question is coming inside everybody's brain. We being a seniors, majority of seniors, we have seen cholera, pandemic and other things we faced and we came out. Even our grandfather, father and everybody has told it. We are here, we will face it and we'll come out of this, the 100% sure. Looking at the present scenario also, it is also coming down in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Majority of places coming down. But in the meantime, we should not neglect. We should prepare ourselves to facing a third wave also. That is my interest. Why we are conducting this thing. Now, Namma Jendragagi, Ellaragarannu Sariyagi heli. We have to educate everybody, we have to educate family, we have to educate neighbors. See that we should get prepared ourselves to face the third wave also. Is the most important thing. Pratiyondaralli, my special request is we will work together. We as a pensioner, we have got a very largest organization which is having more than 65 lakhs pensioners in India. More responsible people, they have contributed for the development of country. We need them. We need them until unless you people are with us, we cannot fight further. Not only for pension, many issues are there. You are the people, you should understand for the development of country. My concern is, please take care of us and take others also. I welcome one more person to talk a few words about that. Once again, I remind you that we will together fight. We will together work for this cause and make an awareness. I will hand out to the Ongole person. Please talk a few words.
Sir, namaste sir. Dr. Garu, thanks and మీరు ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంకి అటెండ్ అయినందుకు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్, ఇప్పుడు కరోనా వచ్చిన పేషెంట్ భయం వల్ల అతని ఇమ్యూనిటీ కోల్పోతున్నాడని, ఆక్సిజన్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వస్తుందని అంటున్నారు కదండి. ఈ ఆక్సిజన్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ రావటం భయం వల్ల ఇబ్బంది పడకుండా ఈ భయం తగ్గేదానికి ఏమన్నా మీ సూచనలు లేదా సైకియాట్రిస్ట్ అడ్వైజ్లు ఏమన్నా అవసరం అవుతాయా?
ఏమీ వద్దు, అట్లా ఏమేమి వద్దు. మీరు ఉండరు కదా, యూ క్యాన్ టెల్ దెమ్. మీరు వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి, ఆక్సిజన్ వాళ్ళకి బ్రెత్లెస్నెస్ చూస్తాడ కష్టమవుతుంది అంటే భయం పడకూడదు. ఏం చేయాలా అంటే ఆ టైంలో ఇది నిలుచుకుంటాం కదా, ఇది ముందు తొట్టు ఇది ఎంగ్ తొట్టు మందే. సో పొంకొనేది ఇట్లా రివర్స్ లైన్లో పొంకొనాలా, రివర్స్ ఇది కడుపు కింద ఉండాలా, ఆమెకి ఇంక్లైన్ గా ఉండాలా. అట్లా పొంకొని ఉసిరాడితే వాళ్ళ ఆక్సిజన్ సాచురేషన్ బెటర్ అవుతుంది. అంత చేస్తే చాలు. ఆక్సిజన్ కావాలా అని ఎక్కడెక్కడో పై ఉడికే వద్దు. ఇట్లా పొంకొని రివర్స్ కడుపు పైన పొంకొని పొంకొని అది ఇంక్లైన్ గా పొంకొని అంటే రివర్స్ పొంకొని put the pillow. So I'll just explain this in English so that it's easier for everyone. So if at all someone is feeling breathless, kindly don't panic. If you are standing like this, this is your front and this is your back. Kindly sleep in an inclined position by putting pillows underneath the chest and sleep like this. This is what happens. You will be able to breathe better and the oxygenation of the blood will be better. So this I'm telling in English because it can be understood by everyone across this. So kindly follow this. Don't panic. Sleep like this. That being said, but you have to start looking for a hospital bed. This will get you time for getting a hospital bed. If you panic and start running around and searching for a oxygen cylinder or oxygen concentrator in rural areas especially, that will be a loss of time. Instead, you catch hold of someone, figure out that this is the hospital bed which is available, and then they can shift them to the hospital. So kindly follow this procedure. మీకు అది అర్థమైనా? అది భయం పడకూడదు. బేసిక్స్లీ భయం పడకూడదు. ఏమి అయ్యలే, ఎవరికన్నా కరోనా వస్తేనూ ఒక లక్షల ఒక జనం వస్తా ఉండేది యాక్చువల్ గా చూస్తే ఫుల్ లక్ష జనాలకి కరోనా వస్తే ఒకరికో ఇద్దరికో వస్తా ఉండేది. అది అది మీరు మీకు చెప్పాలా, అందరికి చెప్పాలా?
సార్ ఎనీ ప్రివెంటివ్ మెడిసిన్ సజెస్టెడ్?
Prevention is only masking. Wear a mask. Ante ingem illa. Mask. That's it.
Okay.
And vaccine.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. TV Swami, you have been waiting from a long time.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving a chance.
Yeah.
Wait, gentlemen.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Dr. Garu, I am from Vizag. Can I continue, sir?
Yeah, TV Swami.
రామ్మూర్తి గారు వెయిట్ చేయండి మీరు. కంటిన్యూ సార్ స్వామి గారు.
ಸರ್ ఇప్పుడు ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 6 to 8 weeks ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ 8 weeks ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಥವಾ
ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಷ್ಟು ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 8 to 12 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅದಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಭಯ ಬೀಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊರೋನಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಕೋವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಿರೋದು ಅದು ಅಡಿನೋ ವೈರಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಸ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೈರಸ್, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೋವಿಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಿರೋದು ಅದು ದ ವೈರಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ which has been injected. So both are two different kinds of vaccines. So ideally it's preferable and it's advised to take the same dose of what you have taken in the first shot.
Okay, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay, Mr. Sir, one person from Vizag is there. Mr. Ramurthy garu,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please wait, sir. 1 second. Shivaji ಅವರು wait ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Mr. Ramurthy from Vizag. Mr. Ramurthy from Vizag. So he is missing. Okay, sir. Go ahead with some other person. Thank you.
Sir, ಶಿವಾಜಿ ರಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಶಿವಾಜಿ ರಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಲೋ,
ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು?
ಹಲೋ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಐಟಿ-ಬಿಟಿ ಜನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗರ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಸೂರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆನೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದ್ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ಕೆಲ್ಸನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸನ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಬಲ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿವರ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, oral supplementation I'm talking about, not sun exposure, oral supplementation extra ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲಿವರ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಆಗಿ without testing your blood, don't unnecessarily take vitamin D supplementation.
Sir, after COVID, Natarajan here. After COVID,
Yeah,
how long
Natarajan,
will it? After COVID, how long we can wait for the second dose of the vaccine?
So
Suppose
you,
I got the vaccine.
according to the experts, they are saying you can wait for 6 weeks before going for the next shot. From the onset of disease, the first symptom from that time, not from the end of isolation.
Okay,
Please,
thank you.
please repeat the answer, doctor. There was audio disturbance. Please repeat the answer.
Yeah, so you can wait for 4 to 6 weeks from the onset of the symptom of COVID.
Okay.
So don't wait for vaccination from getting out of this one isolation. That is not the right way. You can wait for vaccination for 6 weeks from the day of onset of symptom.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, can we close it?
Doctor, another one question. My curiosity, what is the raw material used for the
I can't hear you.
Covishield, sir?
I can't hear you. Come again.
What is the raw material used to manufacture Covishield and vaccine, sir?
So it is
So
very
the
much
main
available.
ingredient, the main
Sir, it is
ingredient
available in internet, sir.
Yeah, because it's too complex and no one will understand that also. So.
Yeah. Manjunath, you take it.
Yes, hello, we will enough because we have told 11:30. It is almost 12 o'clock. It is almost 90 minutes. And in fact, just now Nargund has told you all that everything is recorded. And if you is required, if you want anything, it can be shared with you all. And I request you to, Nargund, can you take over? Yeah, Kumar, please take over and thank, vote of thanks, please.
On behalf of myself and all our team from all over India, I thank Dr. Prashant Reddy for enlightening on this COVID and defrogging the fog of COVID. It is a very surprising thing. Never in the history, no one has dreamt it, but this has come. It is more than the war-like thing, and it has spread all over the world. And you have seen the type of questions. If everyone is having so many questions, and the doctor has given the answers to that. The importance of that and the knowledge being shared by you, sir. We once again thank you and our secretary and our other friends who are making this meeting very success. And thank you once again. Thank you.
Manjunath, you will have one screenshot.
Thank
Let
you, sir.
everybody on the screen.
Yeah.
Let
Let everybody.
All of you open your video.
Yeah,
All of you open your videos.
All of you
open your videos.
Yes,
All of
yes.
you open your videos.
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Shivaji Rao Bhosle, Dastagiri Saab, Chakrapani Saab, Murugesh
Please
sir.
open your video.
Yes.
Please, all of you open your video.
Murugesh sir.
Connection, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sabre.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank
Dr.
you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Ramakant and Manjunath sir, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so kind.
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you very much,
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ
Dr.
ನಿಮಗೆ,
Sandra Ramakant,
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ದೇವರು
everybody,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
pensioners from Karnataka.
ದೇವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you.
ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
Thank
ಮೀಟ್
you.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes.
ನಾನು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್
ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಬರಲಿ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ದೇವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇದೆ.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ,
Thank you, sir.
ನಮ್ಮ
Thank you.
ಅನಂತ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you, Balaji.
ಎಲ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಎಲ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಲ್ ಇರೋ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ. That is the enthusiasm these people got.
ಹೌದು.
Thank you.
Sir, please edit the video.
Ramakant sir, can just declare one more session of this type after about a week or 10 days, so that some other pensioners can join this session, or knowing from our present friends that about this particular session and really usefulness of this session. They can they inform the other friends also to join. So can we have one more session after 1
sure.
week or 10 days like that? Huh?
Sure.
You please
And,
take lead to organize this.
Our
And
Narendra
both of you-
sir, our senior most Narendra sir is also there from Omnabad. Thank you, sir. Narendra sir, thank you.
సార్ ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు,
సార్
ఈ వీడియో ఎడిట్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్ లో పెట్టించండి సార్, ఎడిట్ చేసి పెట్టించండి.
పెట్టిస్తారులే అట్లాగే.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అలాగండి.
డాక్టర్ గారికి మీకు మెనీ థ్యాంక్స్.
మా ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు కోరినట్టుగా మీరు మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి మాకు ఛాన్స్ ఇప్పించండి. మా ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు అడిగినట్టుగా దయచేసి.
Manjunath Dore, he is requesting to give him a chance, another chance, by arranging this sort of meeting once again.
Definitely, I request everyone to please spread this news, what excellent program you had, so that many people will come and we will give them a chance, so that they will learn. Because it has, yes.
Yeah. One more thing I want to tell. Doctor,
yes, sir.
I think you have left or there. Doctor is there?
No, I'm here.
Sir, Doctor sir, you have forgotten to describe the list of medicines that can be used right from the first day of the, infection or getting infected out of corona. Right from the first day, what are the drugs list?
So that's why,
of course, everywhere it is running in the WhatsApp. That is different. Let people hear from you for a minute rather. Please explain.
ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಂತ ನಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು.
ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಂಡೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಬೇದಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಗಂಟ್ಲು ನೋವು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಆಗಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿರಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್. Steroids are not good. They are good only if they are given. It's a life-saving drug if it's given at the right time. Kindly understand that. Always understand that it is at the timing of the drug is what is essential. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, we will be saving more lives. Kindly understand that. And more than
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. So kind of you.
taking
Sir,
instead of,
I have given a number, I have given that number, that is of Star Health Insurance.
yes.
So thank you very much. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Not mind to answer you frequently.
Yeah. We will definitely continue this program one after the other, because one more thing we want to tell you, because such programs we are conducting in various other groups also. And this is one we are going to continue. Thank you very much. So kind of you for a cooperation.
Sure. So I'll have to leave right now.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
doctor. So nice of you.
Okay. Thank you, Rajan.
Bye.
Sir, thank you very much.
So nice.
Thank you very much.
So nice. Thank you.
Special thanks to
Thank you,
doctor.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Balaji, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Balaji,
Manjunath
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Ramak.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Manjunath sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
Manjunath sir,
Thank you.
close ಮಾಡಿ. Manjunath sir, close ಮಾಡಿ. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Close ಮಾಡಿ. Please close.